So today I'm cooking bunje duck, and that's my green seasoning and some five spice from chief and some onion powder from chief. Yeah, and some black pepper from chief. So I will season it up. So there's some pepper from chief too and some aji. So I will season it up and I will be cooking on the fireside. So Rocky. So finish loving up my fireside here. So I finished seasoning up my duck. You can see all the seasoning, all from chief. This is my masala. And this is chief curry powder. The island here. You guys know what is my green seasoning: garlic, fine thyme, mariman, and broad thyme. This is a new style, right? In the onion, I let the onion fry a little bit. Add in my curry powder, jeera masala. In my green seasoning. Not the duck early this morning, and now I'm going and cook it dry with dal. Masala burn at the bottom there, so it's time to throw in cube, fine thyme, shallot, pepper, some salt. It burns there up here. Good. I want to catch before I throw in the water. It burned there. Time to throw in the water. This basin hot. So we come down there. Ginger and dry there. Ooh. I'm done from the katuki. Now we start from the mango tree. Check down. You can see how it's dry and nice. Ooh. So my duck curry and dal finished here. It's time to eat with my loud pepper and a marry pepper mashed up. Mmm. Wow. Tastes so good. Mmm. 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 Okay, I eating dal and rice and curry duck with nice poi bhaji in the dal. I'm going to enjoy. I'm going to taste the duck. My daughter cooked duck. Duck tastes like me duck, boy. Tastes good.